Ben and Jerry's Peanut Butter Cup Ice Cream. Peanut-flavored ice cream, with big, chocolate pieces inside, that are filled with peanut butter sauce. Let's have a look at the colorful packaging and its content. Okay, let's open it. Here comes the content. Let us dig a bit to reveal some strawberries and cookie swirl pieces. Here is a peanut butter cup. Let's take a bite to get a look inside. This chocolate piece has a peanut butter core. It has a strong peanut taste. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.